Iowa fines limits practice test.
Question 1. Which of the following will result in mandatory license revocation in the state of Iowa?
Failure to stop at an accident. A vehicular manslaughter conviction. Refusal to submit to a chemical test. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 2. Which of the following is considered a moving traffic violation in the state of Iowa?
Speeding. Equipment violations. Parking tickets. Seat belt violations.
Answer.
Speeding.
Question 3. If an Iowa driver is convicted of driving a vehicle with a barred license, he or she could be imprisoned for
30 days. 6 months. 60 days. 2 years.
Answer.
2 years.
Question 4. An Iowa driver's license will be suspended if or more accidents occur within a 12-month period.
4. 5. 2. 3.
Answer.
3.
Question 5. What is Iowa's official term for driving under the influence of alcohol or drug charges?
Operating while impaired, OA. Driving while intoxicated, DWI. Driving under the influence, DUI. Operating while intoxicated, OA.
Answer.
Operating while intoxicated, OA.
Question 6. Per Iowa's implied consent law, any driver who operates a vehicle on the state's roadways has consented to
Release of his or her medical records. Search of his or her home. Submission of a chemical test. None of these answers are correct.
Answer.
Submission of a chemical test.
Question 7. The maximum fine for driving with a revoked Iowa driver's license is
$2,500. $2,000. $1,500. $1,000.
Answer.
$1,000.
Question 8. How long is an Iowa driver allowed to file a required accident report?
30 days. 72 hours. 24 hours. 10 days.
Answer.
72 hours.
Question 9. What is the endorsement for a standard driver's license in the state of Iowa?
B. D. A. C.
Answer.
C.
Question 10. An Iowa driver's license will be if it was obtained illegally or unlawfully.
Revoked. Suspended. Barred. Cancelled.
Answer.
Cancelled.
Question 11. Which of the following is the only conviction that will result in a 6-point addition to an Iowa driving record?
Driving with a suspended license. A DUI. Eluding law enforcement. Vehicular manslaughter.
Answer.
Vehicular manslaughter.
Question 12. Upon an Iowa driver's second DUI offense, the court will sentence him or her to in gaol.
7 days. 3 days. 5 days. 9 days.
Answer.
7 days.
Question 13. A back level of more than 0.02% but less than 0.08% will result in a revocation period of for Iowa drivers who are under the age of 21.
60 days. 45 days. 15 days. 30 days.
Answer.
60 days.
Question 14. What is the back limit for intoxication in the state of Iowa?
0.07%. 0.05%. 0.02%. 0.08%.
Answer.
0.08%.
Question 15. How many points will result in the maximum penalty for an Iowa driver?
14 or more. 20 or more. 15 or more. 16 or more.
Answer.
16 or more.
Question 16. If an Iowa driver reaches 6 or 7 points within the accumulation period, his or her license will be barred for
2 years. 30 days. 6 months. 1 year.
Answer.
2 years.
Question 17. A remedial driver improvement license will be issued to any Iowa driver who
drops out of school before age 18, is involved in an accident or has a traffic conviction, fails to obtain parental consent. None of these answers are correct.
Answer.
Is involved in an accident or has a traffic conviction.
Question 18. For adult Iowa drivers, the reinstatement fee is
$300, $400, $100, $200.
Answer.
$200.
Question 19. What is the maximum number of years an Iowa driver's license may be barred for excess point accumulation?
4, 6, 7, 5.
Answer.
6.
Question 20. Which of the following will not typically result in license revocation in the state of Iowa?
Attempting to elude officers. Drag racing. Lying about vehicle registration. Minor speeding violations.
Answer.
Minor speeding violations.
Question 21. Which of the following non-driving related violations may result in the suspension of an Iowa driver's license?
Shoplifting convictions. Failure to pay child support. Domestic violence convictions. Failure to pay income taxes.
Answer.
Failure to pay child support.
Question 22. Which of the following will require Iowa residents to pay a civil penalty in addition to a reinstatement fee?
Refusal to submit to chemical testing. OWA conviction. Back over 0.08%. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 23. How long must an Iowa driver maintain an instructional permit before moving on to an intermediate license?
6 months. 9 months. 1 year. 2 years.
Answer.
1 year.
Question 24. Upon an Iowa driver's first DUI offense, the court will sentence him or her to in gaol
3 days. 10 days. 48 hours. 24 hours.
Answer.
48 hours.
Question 25. The state of Iowa considers drivers who have been convicted of or more violations within a 6-month period to be habitual offenders.
2, 3, 5, 4.
Answer.
3.
Question 26. Which of the following is not unlawful in the state of Iowa?
Using a false name. Altering your driver's license. Storing your driver's license in your wallet. Using another person's driver's license.
Answer.
Storing your driver's license in your wallet.
Question 27. Excess points accumulations must occur within years for Iowa drivers to be penalized.
7, 6, 5, 3.
Answer.
6.
Question 28. At least 10 but not more than 12 points on an Iowa driving record will result in a license being barred for years.
5, 3, 6, 4.
Answer.
4.
Question 29. In Iowa, children under the age of must be seated in a child safety restraint system.
10, 6, 8, 4.
Answer.
6.
Question 30. Which of the following point ranges will result in an Iowa driver's license being barred for 3 years?
12 to 13. 6 to 7. 10 to 11. 8 to 9.
Answer.
8 to 9.
Question 31. Upon failure of a back test, a driver will be issued a day temporary license before the revocation or suspension period begins.
60. 30. 10. 3.
Answer.
10.
Question 32. Convictions of reckless driving will result in driver's license revocation in the state of Iowa.
5. 4. 3. 2.
Answer.
2.
Question 33. Iowa's Graduated Driver's License System, GDL, applies to drivers who are years of age and under.
16. 18. 21. 19.
Answer.
18.
Question 34. Which of the following is included in the penalty for refusal to submit to a back test?
Course for drinking and driving. Substance abuse evaluation. Minimum of 1 year suspension. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 35. If an Iowa driver who is under the age of 18 fails to attend school, his or her license will be
Cancelled. Revoked. Suspended. Barred.
Answer.
Suspended.
Question 36. If an Iowa driver is convicted of driving with a license that has been suspended or revoked because of a DUI charge, his or her driving record will be credited. Points.
5. 3. 8. 10.
Answer.
3.
Question 37. Which of the following will result in a 5-point addition to an Iowa driving record?
Driving with a barred license. Vehicular manslaughter. Perjury to the Department of Public Safety. Failure to stop at an accident.
Answer.
Failure to stop at an accident.
Question 38. What is the maximum sentence for leaving the scene of an accident in which a fatality occurred?
$5,000 fine and 2 years in jail. $5,000 fine and 1 year in jail. $1,000 fine and 1 year in jail. $7,500 fine and 2 years in jail.
Answer.
$5,000 fine and 2 years in jail.
Question 39. In the state of Iowa, excess point accumulation results in a driver's license being
Cancelled. Barred. Revoked. Suspended.
Answer.
Barred.
Question 40. Driving with a suspended or revoked license not related to alcohol or drug charges will result in a point addition to an Iowa driving record.
3, 2, 4, 5.
Answer.
2.
Question 41. Where might an open container of alcohol be legally stored in a vehicle in the state of Iowa?
In a passenger's lap. Under the seat. In the trunk. In the glove compartment.
Answer.
In the trunk.
Question 42. Iowa law requires which of the following motorists to wear seat belts?
Only the driver. Only back seat passengers. Only children. The driver and front seat passengers.
Answer.
The driver and front seat passengers.
Question 43. A young Iowa driver must drive accident and violation free before applying for a full driver's license.
90 days. 6 months. 12 months. 30 days.
Answer.
12 months.
Question 44. Iowa's financial responsibility mandate requires all vehicles to be covered by an auto insurance policy that includes a minimum of property damage coverage.
$20,000. $25,000. $40,000. $15,000.
Answer.
$15,000.
Question 45. A DUI conviction will result in the addition of points to an Iowa driving record.
8, 4, 2, 6.
Answer.
4.
Question 46. Which of the following are ways an Iowa driver could lose his or her driver's license?
Suspension. Barred. Cancellation. All of these answers are correct.
Answer.
All of these answers are correct.
Question 47. Drivers who are under the age of 19 must pay a reinstatement fee before regaining driving privileges after suspension or revocation.
$125. $50. $25. $100.
Answer.
$50.
Question 48. The minimum period of an eligibility for a work permit following a DUI conviction is
10 days. 1 year. 30 days. 6 months.
Answer.
30 days.
Question 49. If an Iowa driver chooses not to insure his or her vehicle, he or she must post a cash or surety bond or security in the amount of
$55,000, $45,000, $75,000, $100,000.
Answer.
$55,000.
Question 50. After traffic violations, the Iowa DOT may suspend the minor's driver's license.
3, 4, 1, 2.
Answer.
1. Thank you for watching the video and wish you will get your driver license soon.